What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be talking about iOS 15. Good grief. I get interrupted earlier, so I'm trying to re-record this. So far, over the last beta testing of today, this is why I do follow-ups, I've not really found anything new. Here's the build numbers, the one that was released last week, and then the one that was released this week. I put it in notes now, so it's easier to see and stuff like that and to keep track. So here we are. The only thing new is the build number ends in J instead of H. We saw beta 4 of iOS 14 digress one letter, and we're seeing that with this beta. They're unifying it with the public beta. I did make in my video the iOS 15 public beta is out, but I want to clarify in this video, and I didn't earlier. Make sure you install it on a secondary device firsthand and make sure all your apps don't crash before installing it on your public device, your primary device, like how I have my iPhone 11. I have a way to downgrade, so I do install betas, but I do have a way to downgrade. Currently, if you have a Bluetooth speaker, like I do with the JBL, which, hey, you can go watch that unboxing. When you're in Apple Music, and I play something like Luke Bryan's song here, with Dolby Atmos, when Bluetooth is connected, it does not show. Now, if I disconnect Bluetooth like this, go back, hopefully it doesn't play, and then skip forward again, it shows it. But the moment I connect the JBL back to the iPhone, the Dolby Atmos pop-up goes away. This is occurring because I have it, if I go down to settings and go down to Apple Music, go down to music, I have it set to always have it on, even through hardwire connections through an adapter in 15. I don't know if this is a bug or if this is a new feature. I hope it's a bug because I actually like listening to Dolby Atmos with like the lightning buds because it's more spatial and more clear, or through my aux that's connected to a speaker on the other end of the desk, as you can hear when I touch this. That buzzing, but yeah, so far it's not working, so that's why I'm not upgrading my iPad Pro to 15. Otherwise, this is just a release for the public beta. There's nothing changes here to what my knowledge can see. I'll have an update in a few days, and probably by Thursday or Friday. If not, I'll have a release next week for follow-up. So hopefully I can find something new, but for the most part, sorry ladies and gentlemen, this is all I have today. There's really nothing new unless I go through all the features, which I now finally can, and say what I want, as it is now public beta. Apple is not too happy with some people. So anyways, I'll let y'all know how everything goes and everything like that, and do more follow-up testing down the road. So subscribe for more iOS updates and features, and peace.